Lima beans with ají chilies. A side dish from Ecuador. Serves 4. You will need 10 ingredients. Step 1. Sauté the leek and ajes in 1 tablespoon of the butter and the olive oil for 30 seconds. Step 2. Add the lima beans, water, and the citrus juice, bring to a boil, then reduce the heat, cover and simmer for 8 to 10 minutes or until the beans are tender. Step 3. Mix the 1 tablespoon of butter with the citrus zest and the salt and pepper. Step 4. Drain the beans and add the butter mixture. Simmer for a minute and stir to coat the beans. Country reports, culture, countries, travel.